Good morning, children. Welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Swati, your maths teacher. Children, hope you all are fine and safe. So, we have completed our sixth chapter, Understanding Division. Today, let's do the exercise questions given at the end of this chapter in page number 79. Under the topic more practice, you can see this question, divide using tables. Children, I know you all learned the multiplication tables, so it will be easy for you to do these questions. So shall we do? Okay, so the first one, 64 divided by 8. What is the answer, children? Yes, it is 8. 8 8s are 64. We know that. Now the second question, 30 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. So the answer is 6. Question C, 10 divided by 5. Very easy question. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 5s are 10. 30 divided by 6 is the next question. 30 divided by 6 equal to? Yes, 5 is the right answer. 49 divided by 7. What is the answer, children? Yes, we know that 7 sevens are 49. So 49 divided by 7 equals 7. Question F, 32 divided by 8. What is the answer, children? Yes, 8 4s are 32. So 32 divided by 8 equals 4. Then next question G, 28 divided by 4. What is the answer? Yes, 7 is the answer. And the next question, 42 divided by 6. 6 sevens are 42. So 42 divided by 6 equal to 7. That is the right answer. Now the last question, 45 divided by 9. 9 5s are 45. So 45 divided by 9 equal to 5. Yes, very good. Okay. So do these questions in your textbook. Okay. Now let's do the next question, that is story sums. Okay. So read the question first. Class 3A has 30 children. They sit in groups of 5 at each table. So a class 3A has how many children? 30. So total number of children equal to 30. They sit in groups of 5 at each table. So number of children in a table, it is equal to 5. So in one table, how many children are there? 5 children. Okay. Now what we have to find? How many tables are there in the class? So how will we find this, children? Yes, by dividing 30 by 5. Okay. So number of tables equal to 30 divided by 5. And it equals 6. Yes, the answer is 6. 30 divided by 5 equal to 6. So, how many tables are there? 6 tables are there. And in each table, how many children are there? 5 children. Okay? Yes. Now the next question. Nasir took 50 sweets to school on his birthday. He distributed them equally between 10 friends. Okay. So total number of sweets equal to 50. Very good. That is equal to 50. And he distributed them equally between 10 friends. Okay, so number of friends equal to 10. Then what is the question? How many sweets did each friend get? Okay, so 50 sweets are with him and he distributed them equally to 10 of his friends. Okay, so number of sweets that each friend get equal to, what will we do? Yes, division. 50 divided by 10. So what is the answer, children? When we divide 50 by 10, we will get 5. Children, what does it mean? Yes, Nasir gave 5 sweets to each one. Okay, so that is how he distributed his sweets. Okay, so do these story sums in your notebook. Okay, please copy this story sum in your notebook. So children, that's about our 6th chapter, Understanding Division. Do more questions from this chapter. I am also attaching a worksheet along with this class. So do it and file it with you. Okay children. So that's all for today. We will see in our next class with a new chapter that will be a continuation of this chapter itself. Okay. So in our next class we will start our semester 2. Okay. In which the first chapter is more division. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you children.